What up? I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about my most recent purchase from Gucci. So I got the woman's double G logo loafers, and I've been looking for a pair of loafers for a while. And yes, I didn't need to get them from Gucci or spend the amount of money that I did. But at the same time, if you know me, you've been following me for a while, my style is a little bit more on the edgier side. And recently I've been getting back into my preppy bag and mixing my edgy pieces with a little bit of my preppy, more feminine pieces. And I wanted a pair of loafers that were a little bit more traditional. I saw these on the website, tried not to buy them, looked extensively for other shoes that I wanted, but at the end of the day, it came back to these. Again, these are the women's double G loafers. They come in 4 colors: black, burgundy, cognac, and an off-white. Each shoe came in its own duster bag, and this is it.
Love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like love.
Initially, I was leaning more towards the black, but I have too much black stuff and I need some color in my life. So I decided to go with the burgundy, especially since this is such a huge color this season. So let me give you some details from the website. This loafer is crafted with soft and refined leather. The double G logo adds a logo touch to this contemporary version of the loafer established silhouette. Gucci Rosso Ancora red leather, light gold toned hardware, leather lining, double G's, leather sole, flat, and the height is about 1/2 inch. First off, I can tell you the quality is impeccable, as I would expect it to be for a shoe from Gucci, and of course at this price point. But what I love about it is the fit. Because I have a wide feet, finding shoes that fit can be such a struggle sometimes. I wear 7.5, but I'll go up to a size 8 depending on the shoe and to accommodate for the width. I got this in an 8.5, which is a US 8, and it's perfect with a little bit of room. The price now. If you've seen my videos before in the past, I did another video about a Gucci pair of clogs and bag that I had purchased. I'll make sure to link the video up above, but in that video I was saying that I used Affirm because a lot of times I feel better when I'm spending so much money on an item. If it's broken down, I don't feel that guilt. Even though it's my money, I deserve it. I can spend my money how I want, but it's another story for another day. So that was my goal with these shoes, to use Affirm. But I went into the store to try them on and I fell in love with them, and I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna cop them now. So it was $1,090, but again, with any Gucci item that I've purchased, it is something that I've had for a very long time and a staple piece in my wardrobe. If you follow me on any of my social media channels, then you know I love mixing high-end and affordable pieces, but I do feel strongly about having staple pieces in your wardrobe. I don't want to say it has to be designer, but quality pieces that will last a long time. And with Gucci, the quality never fails. It doesn't. There's a reason they've been around for so long. But I do have to say, I noticed that they increased their prices. The clogs, and I'll show you a picture here. When I purchased them, and I think this was 2 or 3 years, no, say like 3-4 years ago, it was 4 something. And now on the website, it's like 6 something. So everything went up about like $200 to $400. And again, that's a guesstimation. So if you like these, get these before they go up. Now let's put them on. Let me hike up my pants so you guys can see the shoes on my feet. Also got a shoe horn with my purchase. As comfortable as these shoes are to me, the leather is definitely tough and needs to be broken in, so a shoe horn is definitely needed. I'm really on the struggle bus right now. Definitely giving Billie Jean, but I'm into it. What do you guys think? I really cannot wait. Style looks in these shoes, just because I haven't really been in my preppy girly era in a while. So let me know if you'd like to see a video on how I style these, and that will be my next project. Also, sidebar, I need to get more of these fancy little socks. I got these from Sock Candy and I love this brand. They sent me 3 free pairs, and I'll make sure to link the Instagram or TikTok video that I did below in the description box so you guys can see it. But yeah, they're definitely a necessity in your closet if you have shoes and you want cute little socks that may show, or just something that gives like a stocking slick material that you can wear with your shoes, these are perfect. The last thing I want to know before I end this video is the care instructions. On the site, it says Gucci products are made carefully from selected materials. Please handle with care for a longer product life. Protect from direct light, heat, and rain. Should it become wet, immediately dry with a soft cloth. Fill shoe with tissue to help maintain the shape and absorb humidity, which I obviously knew to the tissue helps maintain the shape, but I didn't really realize that it was also in there to help absorb humidity. Then store in provided flannel bag and box. Clean with soft, dry cloth and brush. Well, folks, that is all. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're into fun, fashion, and relatable content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so anytime I upload new videos, you get a notification. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.